Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new, which you most likely are. So today's video is just me walking through things that I wear. I wanted to walk you guys through like some of my go-to outfits in the spring, and they're all really basic, but they're things that make me feel really good about my body and that I find are really flattering. And none of them, there's no skinny jeans on this. If you know me, you know that skinny jeans is like part of my brand, but lately I've been like stepping outside of that, especially because skinny jeans are the most like uncomfortable warm things to wear, and when like the weather is inconsistent and typically humid, it's really not fun to be wearing skinny jeans. So I'm wearing only mom jeans if I'm wearing pants. So that's a little tip. I also tried to step out of my comfort zone with a couple of these outfits just because I want to like start embracing what I've got rather than like covering it up, which goes like against everything that people want from me. But that sucks for them, I guess. So for most of these items, I'm gonna try to link them below if they're still available, but I highly doubt like a lot of them are, because a lot of this stuff I've either, well, I only thrifted like one item in this, but let's jump into it. I didn't actually wear any shoes in this. I wrote out that I would, but I hate wearing shoes in the house, and you guys can probably find some shoes. It also really depends on what you like to wear. But I'll tell you my shoe recommendations for each outfit. So outfit number one is a dress, a floral dress. I never wear dresses ever, but I'm trying really hard. I would probably wear this with a denim jacket if I had one, because I feel like it would be really cute. And I would also wear these with my Doc Martens and then some like higher socks. The dress is from American Eagle. I recently-ish bought it, so hopefully I can link it. The Doc Martens I just bought, I'll link them. Outfit number two is ripped mom jeans, which are from American Eagle, and I featured them in my trying on all my jeans video, which I will link up here. Yeah, so ripped mom jeans in a graphic tee. The graphic tee is thrifted, but it's super easy to find really cool ones thrifted or not thrifted depending on what your preference is. Yeah, and just a belt, a basic belt from American Eagle. I would probably wear this with a pair of like the old school Vans or slip-on Vans, or Converse even. It just makes for a super casual and comfortable look, and it's also because of the rips, it's really breathable. I find I like ripped jeans in the warmer months because I can get some air circulation. The next outfit is mom jeans and a floral blouse. I was never one to wear blouses, but in the past few months I've kind of started wearing more, and I really like that. If they feel elegant, they make me feel pretty and girly and whatnot, so I really like that about this. Both of these pieces are from American Eagle, and so is the belt. This outfit you can really wear sneakers if you want to dress it down, but you can also wear like heels if you want to dress it up, which I think is really cute. And it's a really good like transitional outfit, like not that we can go anywhere, but like if you were going to school and then later on you had like a dinner or something, you could just like throw on a pair of heels and be set. The next one is mom jeans, the same jeans as the previous outfit and the same belt with just a black tee. This outfit really gave me like LA vibes, and so when I wore it in California I was like, I feel like I fit in. With a pair of sunglasses, I put my hair in a top knot and some dangly earrings, and it just made for a cute casual outfit. I would wear this with sneakers and only sneakers because that's just my style, but you could play around with it and make it your own. The second to last outfit is the one I'm wearing right now, which is just black mom jeans and a red top, or a statement color top. I like colors in the spring. I'm very picky though with my colors, so red is just something that I like to wear a lot. And the black, and just like the juxtaposition between the black and the red, and then with the brown belt, I don't know, I just feel like it does something. This is something that you can wear with sneakers or heels too, particularly because the top is more open, which honestly I don't mind. For my personal, like, I don't care, but if you're more conservative, you can wear a high neck top or a crew neck top and still look bomb. And the last outfit is mom jeans with an oversized sweater. So I wore the black jeans and the same belt again, and then this oversized sweater from American Eagle. This outfit was kind of iffy for me. It's still kind of iffy for me because the sweater is so oversized. I bought it in a 2XL when I really should have bought it in a large, and it's just super oversized, but I think about the potential with like shorts and like a bathing suit underneath. It could be like a good beach vibe, so it's kind of why I'm holding on to it. I want to test if it's good for the beach. Hopefully I can go to the beach this summer, but we'll see. So no virus is really ruining my summer vibe, but it's okay. And yeah, I'm gonna take a sip of water. Those are like my go-to like uniform outfits. I think it's always really fun to have a uniform, but also like have room to like wiggle with your comfort zone within that uniform, because it just makes it easy to pick outfits, and it also makes it so that you know what you're comfortable in and what you feel looks best on you. And yeah, I hope this gave you guys some inspo. Probably didn't because it's so basic, but I thought it would be a good idea. That's all for this week's video. Leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe because we're really close to 200 subscribers, so I would love if you guys would join. That could be fun. I'm in a weird mood. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video.